गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हचं यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा।
बातमी आहे कॉस्मेटिक चिकित्सेची। आता पणजीत अत्याधुनिक मशीन्सद्वारे विविध कॉस्मेटिक चिकित्सा केली जाणार आहे। डॉक्टर निशिता कॉस्मेटिक क्लिनिकमध्ये या आधुनिक यंत्रसामग्रीमुळे प्रभावी उपचार शक्य झाले आहेत। 7 ऑक्टोबरला याबाबत पत्रकार परिषद घेण्यात आली। त्यावेळी या क्लिनिकमधील अत्याधुनिक मशीन्सबाबत माहिती डॉक्टर निशिता शेठ यांनी दिली। दरम्यान या अत्याधुनिक मशीन्समुळे कुठल्याही सर्जरीशिवाय हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन, चारकोल फेशियल करणं शक्य आहे। यावेळी डॉक्टर सोनिया वळवईकर आणि डॉक्टर प्रशांत विक्रम हेही उपस्थित होते। या अत्याधुनिक मशीन्सचा ग्राहकांना फायदा होणार असल्याचा विश्वास डॉक्टर निशिता शेठ यांनी यावेळी व्यक्त केला आहे।
The journey to DNCC in Goa been very good. बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें एंड हमने ऑलमोस्ट 14 इयर्स गोवा में करा है। उसमें मेनली हमारा जो काम है वी ऑलमोस्ट डूइंग हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट फ्रॉम द डे वी स्टार्टेड इन ऑलमोस्ट 2009 वी स्टार्टेड एंड सिंस द डेट वी बीन डूइंग हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट अ लॉट। वी ऑलरेडी डन 40 lakh root hair transplant in 40 lakh root hair transplant in Goa itself, and that is a big number, and I thank every Goan who has made our journey very successful. Thank you all very much. Now, because we are already a master in hair industry, we would like to invite every Goans to our non-surgical skin, hair, cosmetic surgery. So right now in Goa, we have actually come up with the 3 technologies which is the best in the world. So one is this triple wavelength diode laser, which is the world's best technology for hair reduction. So there are multiple sittings with the treatment, and the effect of this triple wavelength diode is fantastic. It's almost 80% reduction in hair. So all the brides, all the girls, all the ladies, we welcome them. And that is where our mastery is again. Also, there are many males now looking for a beard hair transplant, beard hair shaping. So they also come in and get, because there are many times you have upper cheek, they have hair, excessive hair, even on the ears. So we can do with this technology, we can do fantastic hair reduction. So that's one technology which we are introducing in Goa. We welcome every Goan to come and have, and the rates and the prices are very reasonable according to other clinics. Then second one which we want to introduce is called charcoal or laser treatment, which is also called Hollywood peel. So if we know, all of us, we know that, okay, before going to the red carpet, all the Hollywood, Bollywood and other celebrities, they go in for this procedure which is called carbon peel facial. It actually reduces the pigmentation from within, and it gives a nice rejuvenated and fresh look to the face instantly. So we welcome all the Goans to come and actually get the treatment done from us. Third treatment which we want to introduce is called a HIFU, which is a revolutionary treatment in the anti-aging industry. So it is called high focused ultrasound rays, and with this HIFU we can actually target all the layers of the skin and gives a nice tight look and anti-aging to the face without doing the surgery. So we welcome again every person to come and have experience with us for this HIFU, high intensity focal ultrasound rays. Again, this is all the Hollywood, Bollywood. If you see any actress or actors, ageless, they are all doing this procedure, and they are all actually getting these treatments done, because everyone wants to do a non-surgical treatment which is without any surgery. So there is no downtime. You can just come for a treatment and go back to your office. So this is third treatment which we want to introduce to the Goan. Again, this is first time in Goa it is going to be there. Fourth treatment which we want to introduce is called BB Glow treatment. Now this is again revolutionary treatment to hide away your imperfection, scars and all that. So we would like to invite every Goans to come and have treatments with us at a very reasonable rates. Thank you very much. Now Dr. Sonia is our center manager and head of DNCC Goa.
DNCC म्हणजे कितें? इट इज अ कॉस्मेटीक क्लिनीक. हांगा स्कीन, ब्युटी, हेअर, वेट लॉस हे सगळ्यांचो समावेश आसता. प्रत्येक जाणाक एक सुंदर दिसचें आसता, ताज्या लागून धडपडटा लोक, पण एक्झॅक्टली तांकां एक क्लिनीक मेळना जे सगळ्या हितून तांकां शेप अप करूं शकता, तांकां पर्सनॅलिटी बरी दिवंक शकता. बट वी एट DNCC आमचे कडेन सगळें आसा, एडवान्स टेक्नॉलॉजी आसा, रायट फ्रॉम हेड टू टिप. वी कॅन चेंज वन्स लायफ एंड वन्स पर्सनॅलिटी ट्रिमेंडसली. हितून कोणाकूय जर तर फेसाचो इश्यू आसा, पिगमेंटेशन आसा किंवा डार्क स्पॉट्स आसा, आतांच्या बायलांक डिलिव्हरी नंतर मेलास्मा जाता, कोलास्मा जाता, ताजो ट्रिटमेंट गोंयान न्हू भायर सुद्दां अजून पर्यंत तसो कांयच येवंक ना. लोक म्हाजे कडेन येता हांगा ट्रिटमेंटा अक्षरशः बसून रडटा की हेजेर आमकां ट्रिटमेंट दियात. वन शॉर्ट सोल्युशन इज कॉस्मेलॉन. प्रुवन 100% रिजल्ट येता. हितून जर तुमी व्यवस्थित सगळे फॉलो केले जाल्यार तुमकां 100% रिजल्टची एश्युरन्स आमी दिता. सेकंड कमिंग टू वेट लॉस, हितून आमचे कडेन सर्जिकली बी आसा, नॉन सर्जिकली बी आसा. हितून जर तुमी रिगरसली व्यवस्थित जे पथ्य आसा ते फॉलो केले, एक्सरसाइज केले जाल्यार तुमकां ऑलमोस्ट 50 to 60% रिजल्ट आमी एश्युअर करता. कमिंग टू हेअर, खंयचेच क्लिनीक हांगा, आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू कमेंट ऑन एनी ऑफ द क्लिनीक, पण आमी रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड टीम आसा हांगा. वी फॉलो हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांट, बियर्ड ट्रान्सप्लांट, वी फॉलो IPRF, PRP. हितून 100% आमी रिजल्ट देता. So DNCC is a field wherein one can enter as nothing, but one can go out like a bride.
The machine which we have for carbon this thing, we also have a machine that is for tattoo removal.
Yes.
That can also be done now, colored and black. All tattoos can be removed. It's removed, or like there are so many things when they don't want that old tattoos. Now we can remove those because Goa is very popular for tattoos.
Correct.
So we also do tattoo removal. We don't do tattooing, but we do removal of this thing.
Tattoo. So I
That
had
is Q-switch NDR
yes.
glazer. That is called Q-switch NDR glazer. We have that.
So I had once seen one advertisement. You know, nowadays the girls and boys, they are into relation, they want to tattoo their names. So the advertisement was like, remove your exes from your body. And it's a fantastic creative ad. It's a nice one. So we do even have a tattoo removal in our clinic. So you name anything in the beauty and cosmetic industry, DNCC is actually having all the solution for any skin, any hair, any cosmetic surgery, weight loss, liposuction, tummy tuck, breast implant, all that. And we also have a mommy makeover, which is after the delivery, you know, woman wants to look good. Like, you know, she wants to look good in every part of the body. So we have that mommy makeover with us, and we have a panel of cosmetic surgeons and doctors in DNCC which is handling this department. Thank you all very much.